Okay, we're going to do our ladybug life cycle art project. All that you will need is a piece of paper and a pencil. And we can go back and color it later, but just a piece of paper and a pencil right now. So you can pause the video, get your supplies, get a paper and a pencil, and we'll get started. First thing you're gonna do is fold your paper in half. Make those corners match up. And then fold that crease down on the fold. And then we're gonna fold it one more time. So it'll be like a square after it's folded. And then when we open it, we have 4 sections. 1 section for each stage of the ladybug's life cycle. So we're gonna start with the first section, which we're gonna write number 1, right here at the bottom of that first square. And that is going to be the egg. Egg, E, G, G, egg. Now to draw the egg, it's just kind of little oval shape. And that's 1 egg, but you can draw more than 1 egg if you would like to. They are an oval, a long stretched out circle, an oval. And we can go back and color these. They're kind of that yellowish, tannish color. I'm gonna make a leaf for mine to be living on here. So that way when I go back, I can color it green for that leaf there in the stem. So I'll make a few more of the ladybug eggs on here. And now we will move to step 2. 2. Larva. L for L. R like a pirate. A-R. V and an A, larva. Now the larvae are what we have in our habitat right now. They kind of are a long oval shape also with a little point at the bottom, almost like the bottom of a heart. And since it is an insect, all insects have 6 legs. So we're gonna go 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. That's right. They've got kind of a black head up at the top. I'll just color mine. Give it a little bit of stripes along it there. And that will be step 2. Now, what I like to do, since it's a life cycle, is draw an arrow. From the egg, draw an arrow pointing to the larva, because that's what happens next. Now for number 3, we're going down below the larva. My arrow is going to come down. And number 3 is the pupa, with a P, pupa, P-U-P-A, pupa. Now that's when it makes that hard shell. So I'm just gonna make it kind of flat on the bottom and give it this hard shell over the top. It's got some black marks along it. Not quite dots like the ladybug, but some black markings on it. The pupa. Now after the pupa, over for step 4, I'm gonna draw the arrow over. Number 4 is the ladybug. Lady, L-A-D-Y, bug, B-U-G, ladybug. Now we know what the ladybug looks like. It's pretty round. It's an insect. How many legs does it have? That's right, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. And its head is black. We can make some little eyes on here if we want to. I like to give it a split right down where its 2 wings are, because on each side of its wings will be identically the same. So if you put a spot here, there has to be a spot right on the same area on the other side. If you put 2 spots right here, what do you have to do on the other side? 2 spots. And I will do one more spot on the bottom and a matching one on the other side. They will match. It's symmetry, means the same on both sides. Now, it doesn't just end at the ladybug. Our arrow has to go back up to the number 1 because the ladybug lays the egg. The egg turns into the larva, or the larva hatches out of the egg. Then the larva forms that pupa, that hard-shelled pupa, and then it comes out as the ladybug. And what's that ladybug do? Lays the egg. So it's a life cycle because it goes around and around and around. Great job with the ladybug life cycle. If you'd like to go back and color it, you may color it.